All right, guys, welcome to another live stream. Welcome to another live stream. Happy Wednesday. Happy Wednesday. All right, so today we're going to do a quick market update, play a few games of Blitz. So, not much has changed with the market. If we look at the market today, the S&P is a little bit down 0.27%. Um and let me look at the other indices. That's the S&P. Let me look at the Nasdaq is down a little bit. It looks like the New York Stock Exchange is up. The Dow is up. So it's kind of like mixed signals. Everybody's basically waiting for I think the the Federal Reserve meeting minutes came out today. I didn't check those. I'm not sure if there was any hidden gems in those meeting minutes, but what a lot of people are waiting for is Jerome Powell's speech on a Friday, right? Basically, that's what the key catalyst of the week is, this Jerome Powell speech. And people are wanting to see whether they're going to give some signals on the rate cut in September. Are they going to confirm it? Are they going to be mixed in the middle? Or are they going to be like, no, inflation is still, or are we still worried about inflation? But I don't think that's going to be the case. I think this is going to be the catalyst that, one, ignites the altcoin season for crypto. And we're kind of already seeing that. A lot of people on YouTube are saying we bottomed out. And if you look at the charts, that's kind of looking like the case. Ethereum slightly up today. Altcoins have held pretty nicely this downturn in the last week or so. They haven't really lost much in terms of gains. And yeah, and Ethereum's bouncing back pretty good. I think we're at 4,300 for Ethereum. Let me take a look. Yeah, 43, 41. BTC came up all the way back up to 114. So yeah, and what we're seeing too is this Bitcoin dominance kind of taper off and fall below that 59%. If we check on it right now, the BTC dominance is 59.29. So it looks like it's going to crack this 59% here pretty soon. And again, I think this confirmation of the rate cut through his speech on Friday will be the catalyst for that, and it's going to send the markets a lot higher. We're coming towards the end of August, so September's around the corner. Also, what was interesting, I haven't seen this before, but on Twitter or X, Coinbase has confirmed altcoin season for September, which I've never seen that done before. So they're probably paying attention. They probably have their analysts and they're going through their numbers and data, and they confirm that, or they believe, because they can't say it for fact, but they believe altcoin season will be in September. So we'll see, right? September's around the corner. It's already August 20th. So a couple more weeks, we're in September, and it's looking like we are getting that push in altcoins, and we're seeing that Bitcoin dominance come down. All we need is that rate cut, and it looks like things are lining up pretty nicely, right? Okay. What else? So some key financial headlines. So market and economy. Crypto rally with mixed sentiment. Bitcoin leads gains among digital assets, while traditional equity markets tread water. Tech stocks under pressure. Yeah, Nvidia looks like it dipped substantially, and that may be finding a local bottom here here soon. I think it's like, let me look at Nvidia. Give me a sec. Nvidia. So Nvidia today's at 175.40, and it crashed all the way down from 183, or maybe it's 185. Let's see. Yeah, like 183 was its high. So about what, 8 out of 183. So maybe like a 3 to 4% crash, or maybe slightly more or less, but around that 3, let's just say 3 to 5%. So Yeah, we're seeing those stocks sell off. Tech stock under pressure. Yep. Stock declines ahead of key event. Shares of Coinbase and eToro dropped over 5%. Also, Robinhood dropped as well. It looks like a lot of the tech stocks, a lot of the risk on assets are falling because we saw the Dow was up, but the NASDAQ was down. Let's see. Yeah, the NASDAQ was down. New York Stock Exchange is up. Dow's up. So it looks like tech is what's suffering right now. But I think once that speech comes in Friday and it's bullish, then bullish as far as getting that rate cut, I think we're going to see a turnaround here pretty quickly. Market jitters, a broader pullback hit both equities and crypto, wiping away some recent gains. Yeah, a lot of people are calling a dip and not a pullback. Pullbacks usually tend to take a lot longer to come back from. I don't think this is going to be the case, especially for crypto. I think we're going to pick up here pretty quickly going into the end of the week. Regulatory and institutional developments, banking concerns over crypto rules. Okay, so it's kind of the same old same. Okay, so yeah, that's pretty much it. Nothing has really changed since Monday, our Monday overview. I know I was talking about some earnings. I know Home Depot, Lowe's was supposed to come out with some earnings. I'm not sure. I didn't keep up with that, but definitely something to look at if you're interested on how the economy is doing. Those companies are companies that people tend to use on a daily basis, right? A lot of people go to Lowe's, a lot of people go to Home Depot, Walmart, Target. So definitely important to see how those companies are doing from an earnings perspective. Okay, that's pretty much it. Let's play some chess, and I'll play two or three games here. What do this? Ah, oh, darn it. Hmm. Darn it. All right. Thank you. Go. Go. Hmm. Darn it. I played so bad. Yes. There we go. Perfect. Nice. Try to get away from that, huh, buddy? Not gonna happen. First game of the day. All right. Let's get you up out of here. There we go. Oh, uh-oh. I thought I was in trouble there. I'm gonna bring this out. Oh, I gave a free piece. Wow. I can't believe you missed that. That's crazy. Um, this might be checkmate here. There we go. All right. All right. Oh, that was checkmate. All right. Yeah, I'm done. Nope. No rematch here. Oh, it was a pretty good game for me. All right, guys. Yeah, so not much to talk about today. The market looks pretty similar to what it did. I mean, it's bouncing back for sure. If we look at crypto, we look at BTC, we look at Ethereum, those are bouncing back. We're seeing some sell-offs in tech as far as blue chip assets, Nvidia, Coinbase, Robinhood. But I think again, once we get this speech Friday from Jerome, hopefully it's positive on this rate cut. I think we'll see the market turn back around. But that's pretty much it. I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.